Tan, 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 tara.
Tom and Joel, the morning show.
My God, it's too much of sweating. I don't know why. Why didn't put the AC today? I don't know. Where's Tom? He also not come here. I don't know what to do, man. Oh, my full of makeup will go off. I don't know. Shit. Tom, see, every time he is telling, I'm late. See, today he is the person who late. Oh God. Tom. Nobody's there. Tom, where's this guy? I don't know where he went.
Yes, Joel, I am coming. Yes, Joel, I am coming. Wait. Give me 2 minutes.
Come fast, Tom. It's too much of sweating.
I am getting breakfast. Just wait. Give me 2 minutes. Sorry for late. Only today, okay?
Okay. Only today I know that. Why you were late?
I am so much of hungry. That's why I take my breakfast. Anyway, please on the AC.
Why so much of hungry? Why you took breakfast? You promised me that you will go and have a breakfast with me. So bad.
Because of yesterday night, I get early dinner. That's why I'm so hungry now. I get the early breakfast. Getting too late, Joel. Don't worry, sweetheart. We will go and again have the breakfast. If you require to have a breakfast with me, we will go and take it again. This is not a worry. I am still hungry.
Okay. We'll both go then. What do you do? What do you think? Let's go after the program or before the program?
We will go after the program.
Okay, Tom, what you had for your breakfast today?
I had the 2 shawarmas and 1 Pepsi.
What about yesterday dinner?
I take some rice, kapsa, that is called kapsa rice.
Kapsa rice? What is that? Is it a different style rice preparing or is it different rice?
That is called in Saudi Arabia kapsa. In Dubai, that is called mandi. That is with the chicken and the rice. They are making with special. So I eat from that is, what is the shop's name? That is Afghan. I go eat the Afghan mandi.
Only chicken is available. What about the vegetarian things or fish? Any other varieties of that? Because I love to eat those things.
No, just only this kapsa rice coming, mandi coming with the one salad and the chicken and the tomato. That's only.
Okay. We'll eat another day on that. Okay, so what we are going to do? What is your idea today?
Okay, what we think about that? What we will do now?
Every day you eat chicken, then beef, and then other meat, those things, right? So you are leisurely eat fish, okay? Then I think you like fish, but here it's not good much fish is available as per your taste. So we'll talk about fish. What do you think?
Well, I think that is better idea for at the moment.
Do you like to eat fish? I don't like much because it's too much of stinky smelling.
Yeah, Joel, I love to eat fish.
Seriously? You love fish? Oh my God, it's too much of stinky smelling.
If you are clean the fish properly, that is smell is not coming. You put some salt and some what is called that lemon. You can clean it. After that, this smell is not coming. You know, Jewel. If we are eating fish, how much nutritions we will get for the body.
Are you kidding?
Why should I get in with you? I am telling the truth. That is real. That is the fact. I have one friend. He is in South Indian. He will eat fish. But I have another friend. He will not. He will available in I think North Indian. They are not eating fish. And I have Pakistan guy. He is eating only big fish. He is not like to eat the small one. But I am allowed to eat small and big.
Small, big. There are two type of fish. So you like both.
Yes, I love both because is available in the small calciums and the big available omega 3. That's why.
That means use as per your point of view, you are saying small fish have calcium. It means that if we have the small fish, is it enough to get the calcium for our body?
See, everywhere available your hair. If I am going to the home, my wife every day and every day asking about your hair because your hair is fall down. Because of the you don't have that much of calcium in your body because you are not like to eat small fish. If you are eat small fish, this calcium maybe not 100%, maybe 40%, 20%, 40%, it come to the body. If you have any urine with the stone, that means you have the more calcium.
I obey you, Tom. I obey you. Okay, then I promise you, and I will, today onwards, I will eat fish more than the others.
That's better, Joel, because if you are in the pregnant time, you will get the different calcium tablet from the outside, right? Your doctor already gave the prescription for the calcium tablet. If you eat fish, you doesn't want to get the calcium tablet. That is enough. You better understand that one, Joel.
Obviously, then I will eat fish because of that stinky smelling. I don't like to eat fish. By the way, I will eat fish. So let's go and have fish meal today onwards as a practice, starting of my meal differentiation.
Sure, why not?
Then we'll go. Sure. Okay, then at last, just a small thing. Do subscribe our channel. If you are already been to subscribe and if you are already member on our channel, just click the bell icon and you will get more and more new updates. Day by day we are traveling the world, and stay tuned with Travelers World. You will get more and more updates every once in a day. Okay, thank you. Bye guys.